Search engine optimization, as we know it, will be dead this year in 2024. If you are still relying on the old ways and methods of optimizing the web traffic to your blogs or your channel, then I believe you need to reinvent as soon as possible. 2024 is the year when artificial intelligence is going to explode and explode in a fantastic way. Your organic traffic will be killed by your competition if you don't move now. Time is running out. We are already seeing that more and more companies are popping up which are simply doing AI assisted SEO, killing the competition with 100% of traffic. These new startups have already begun to dominate niches which were long controlled by the blog post. For example, there are a lot of news outlets which were controlling the news. But now, with this AI assisted SEO, I can already see that many of the topics, if they are doesn't matter if they are from politics or any other field, they are being redirected to these new players. So, what exactly is AI assisted SEO? AI assisted SEO is a system of human AI steps that can increase the productivity of content teams by 10 times and can show impact on organic traffic within few weeks or maybe days, and that time frame will shorten very soon. Now, how you can do it? I wanted to just draw your attention to these two websites. One is instantly.ai and then the other one is apollo.io. If you have been doing search engine optimization and then you are trying to generate lead to your product, websites and online presence, then maybe have a quick look at these websites because they are doing what a lot of other new startups are doing. You can start up for free here and you don't need any credit card, which is awesome. And they also are showing a free warm up, especially with instantly.ai. If you want to go one step beyond SEO and then you want to power your end to end sale process with AI, then have a quick look at apollo.ai. This is one of the world's most up to date lead database with the help of generative AI and very impressive. Now, having said that, what exactly you can do in order to um, make sure that you select AI for your SEO? First and foremost, use any large language model to do the topic selection for your blog posts, articles, news website, or even your YouTube channel. Ask ChatGPT, for example, or BART or any other LLM, that what could be the most optimal topic for your content. Just give it keyword, give it a proper context with a nice prompt template, and then it is going to give you what exactly users are searching. Also, make sure you, whenever you write a content, create a draft out of it and then send it to one of the LLM to review it. Use LLM as an enabling technology as a second pair of eyes, which will go through your blog, your content, and then tell you what exactly you should do, how you should arrange the paragraphs, if the paragraph length is longer or shorter, or if your spellings are right, your grammar is right. If English is not your first language, then it will be a huge help for you. Then make sure that you also generate some videos or graphics from models like Midjourney, Delhi, or there are a lot of them, and I have covered various of them on my channel already. If you want to build some sort of freebie in order to give away on your website or your channel, maybe use this chat gpt or any large language models to create one for you, and then you can dish it out freely for your users. That could be beneficial because incentives are the key. As long as you are giving incentives on your website or your blog post, you will attract people. And then last but not least, keep it local, I would say, for especially if you're writing blogs, because most of the people, they are searching locally. For example, I'm in Australia, so I already know that what the hot topics are, what the issues are. So people are in Australia mostly searching for some of the Australian related issues, and gets narrower and narrower. I'm in Sydney, Australia, so they are searching more about Sydney, and then it goes on and on. So whatever your geographic location is, just keep that in eye. Think about the ongoing issues and trends, and then keep your SEO accordingly. So, having said that, I think that line will get blurred as more and more time passes and we see AI getting more advanced, because AI assisted SEO presents immense potential, there is no doubt about it. But it is also critical to consider the evolving stance of search engines like Google and Bing, because as more and more people adopt this approach, distinguishing between high quality content from AI generated content may become very challenging, and it already is. So that is where we need to strike a balance between leveraging AI's efficiency and maintaining authenticity and originality in our content to ensure long-term organic growth. Very keen to hear your thoughts on it. Please share them in the comments and let me know what do you think. If you know of any AI assisted SEO tool, please also share it in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.